interfaces, it is continued, and again the last class we have seen what is an interface and how to go with an interface and thing. And here we have taken an example of interface, and here we have extended two interfaces. That is, we have seen that we can extend two interfaces. An interface can extend an interface. So that is what we have seen here. Here we have created interface A, and it contains a method called function A, and it is an abstract method. And here we have taken interface B, which contains another method called function B. And now we have taken class C that implements B. B is nothing but the interface B, which is already extending the interface A. So now public void function A, the function A is already available in A. Since we have implemented B, and since interface B has extended A, we can take up the A method here. Okay, and I am printing it as function A, and I am taking the function B also, which is the method of interface B. A is the method of interface A, and function B is the method of interface B. So both the thing I have implemented inside the class C. Now I have created an object for C class, and I have implemented it here. Okay, this is a part of implementing the interfaces. Now, how to implement the interface concept is it helps you to take over the uh, multiple inheritance. That is, you will be having the multiple inheritance. Here I'll be showing an example related to multiple inheritance through interfaces. So generally multiple inheritance, it is not applicable in Java because you cannot extend two classes to a single class. You cannot extend two classes, two parent class into a single class. But it can be applicable, it can be done with the help of multiple inheritance. That multiple inheritance can be implemented in Java with the help of interfaces. So how to do this is I have to create two interfaces, that is interface printable and interface showable. Okay, and now I can take this and you can inherit these two things in the form of class A7 implements printable and showable. Likewise, I can give, but I cannot give here as two classes. Interface class printable, class showable. If I create also, I cannot do like this. Class A7 extends printable, comma showable is not applicable in Java. Okay, multiple inheritance is extracting the characters of two parent class into a single class. That is not implemented in Java with the help of inheritance, but the same concept can be implemented in Java with the help of the concept of interfaces. So class A7 implements printable, comma showable. These two I have created in the form of interfaces, and this interfaces I am going to implement with the help of this. And now we have two methods, that's the two methods, print and show off. Print and show off, these two methods we have done over here, and these two methods, print off and show off, I have implemented inside the class here. Okay, by implementing these two interfaces, I can access both the methods, that's print and show off. Okay, and inside this I have created an object for the class, and using that object I have called that method. Now you will be getting the method output as hello welcome, because I have called printf method, which is going to print hello. I have implemented the method here. These here inside the interfaces, they are only abstract methods, and here it is implemented with a statement called hello and with a statement called welcome, and I have printed over here. This is how you can give with the multiple interfaces. Multiple inheritance with the help of interfaces. And